Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to make an incomplete circle in Photoshop. Let's begin. Create a new layer, then go to View, Show, and use grid line. Then select the pen tool, right click, shape without fill. Select the stroke. I use black color, and now see this. Click the point. I use this point. Click point on. Then select the point corner, hold alter and click this corner, hold alter, again click this corner, hold alter and click this incomplete corner. Sorry, press Ctrl Z, remove this and click, use this and remove the grid. Press increase the size. Press Ctrl T, hold shift, resize. Change the color. Okay, thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.